All right, it's had some overcast in the morning, but take a look out there. Pretty beautifully. Actually, very cloudy out towards the east, though.
Yeah, a mix of clouds and sun. More sunshine later in the day. We went from the 70s to the 80s pretty rapidly this afternoon, and we'll be watching the radar, too, through the evening hours. We'll start with the almanac. So the high temp 86, normal high 89. Far away from the record of triple digits, and sunset will be at 8:23 later this evening. Our Ewald Kubota camera here in Georgetown with a mostly cloudy sky. Some pokes of blue sky, and that will be the case through the remainder of the evening to the overnight hours. All right, looking at radar right now, a little pocket of a storm that's just south of Milam County. 14 of our 15 counties are rain-free. We'll have to watch, though, for still that widely scattered storm chance this evening. So anything that will form will be pretty small and manageable. A slow-moving thunderstorm creates that flood concern. By 9 o'clock, still a mostly dry trend. Few cells out toward West Texas firing up on the dry line. They could try to work toward Mason. Last night, if you recall, we did have a storm in Mason, San Saba, and Lampasas, so that could be a similar situation around midnight. Clouds and radars picking that up right around 1 a.m. or so. Austin area staying dry. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., more clouds than not, followed by some partial clearing as you move through the afternoon. So a lot of blue sky by your Sunday, but still there's that conditional, isolated hit and miss thunderstorm through your afternoon hours. Plenty of daytime heating and blue sky could allow for some of these storms to be strong and slow moving. So here's 6 o'clock, your dinner plans for tomorrow. Few storms here and there. This one clouds and radar run is showing parts of the hill country, but really anyone in central Texas can be getting a storm through the later half of the day tomorrow. Here's Sunday evening, and pretty much the same thing for your Monday, just a slightly lower rain chance as you work into Memorial Day. So rainfall total, I still have about 1 to 2 inches east of I-35. Now a slow-moving storm, you could squeeze out 2 inches plus. Most will be in this 1/4 of an inch to an inch. And if you get lucky, you get a few slow-moving storms over you. You could be well over that 2-inch mark, but there also is the chance that a lot of y'all aren't even going to be hitting this 1/4 of an inch if storms steer around you. So this is why you have to have a good radar product, something that you can track storms if you have outdoor plans for your Sunday, Memorial Day. We recommend our free KXAN First Warning Weather app. Your 3-day forecast by Memorial Day itself, 90 degrees, will stay fairly seasonable. Remember, we should be in the upper 80s this time of year with a 20% rain chance day after day. Beyond Tuesday, we'll see a different story. Another short wave ripple in the jet stream will allow for a higher rain chance. That'll be Tuesday into Wednesday. Middle half of the week, we do have a lot of confidence here. This would be more widespread compared to this pop-up shower situation through the next 2 days. Big picture clouds and radar. Here's Tuesday toward the afternoon, evening, trending more overnight through a good chunk of central Texas into your Wednesday itself. So that could also be an additional 1-2 inches plus, and there is going to be a flood concern there too from the saturated soils. All right, here's your KXAN First Warning Weather 7-day forecasts in the 80s, 90s, a bit cooler on Wednesday, but we rebound to the 90s by next Thursday into the following weekend.